This little toy takes advantage of your persistence of vision. This is an effect that you can also see if you were to wave around a glowing ember on the end of a stick. It makes streaks in the air. This was version 1. It used an IMU to track when you were swinging left and right, which was way harder. Version 2 used mechanical tilt switches, which is an analog version, which was much more straightforward. You can see them in green there. There's 2 of them back to back, and I'm going to show you why in a moment. Now, if you were to shake this device back and forth quickly, and the lights were on all the time, you would see streaks from each LED across your vision. Instead of them being on all the time, imagine they turned off once in a while, randomly. You would see this. Gaps in the streaks. And if instead of on all the time, they were off all the time and flickered on momentarily, you would see patterns, shapes, or letters. And in this case, numbers. This is what I've created. Of course, this would depend on how fast you shake the device, but through tuning, I was able to make it appear quite well at a low speed. This is how it detects a change in movement with the mechanical tilt switches. These are cylinders with little balls inside and contacts on one side that connect to my microcontroller, who can tell if they're closed or open. When the device is shaken to the right, the ball accelerates to the left because it has inertia. When it closes the contacts, the microcontroller can safely assume that the device has been shaken to the right. If I add a second switch facing the other direction, I can tell which way it has been shaken. This is really important because I need to draw the reverse image on the backswing so that it lines up correctly. This was my first time machining aluminum, and it was a lot of fun. I got to create tool paths and really work with Fusion for the first time, and it was a great experience and an awesome new skill.